Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Volvo V70 key battery. First, gather your essential tools: a new CR2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This simple task usually takes just a few minutes, so let's get started and refresh your key fob's power quickly and easily. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side or bottom edge of the casing. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist or pry, the two halves of the key fob should separate. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic casing. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Now, carefully remove the old CR2032 battery. Take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and gently press them back together until you hear a satisfying click. This indicates that the fob is securely closed. Now, test all the functions of your key, like locking and unlocking the doors, to ensure everything is working perfectly with your new battery.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.